Europe is a continent renowned for its iconic landmarks, the Eiffel Tower, Colosseum, and Buckingham Palace. Yet beyond these illustrious attractions lie hidden gems that often escape the traveler's itinerary. Today, we embark on a journey to unearth some of Europe's lesser-known treasures that offer captivating experiences and unique insights into the continent's diverse cultural tapestry. Our first stop takes us to the enchanting village of Hallstatt in Austria. Nestled between the serene Hallstatter Sea and the towering Dachstein Mountains, this picturesque village is a UNESCO World Heritage Site with a history that dates back over 7,000 years. With its quaint 16th century buildings and tranquil lakeside setting, Hallstatt is a haven for those seeking both natural beauty and historical intrigue. A visit to the Hallstatt salt mine reveals fascinating insights into ancient mining practices that shape the region's prosperity. Traveling south, we arrive in the medieval town of Alberobello in Italy. Known for its whimsical trulli houses, whitewashed stone huts with conical roofs, Alberobello offers us a glimpse into a bygone era. These architectural curiosities, some of which date back to the 14th century, are still inhabited today and have earned the town a spot on the UNESCO World Heritage List. Wandering through the narrow streets, visitors can immerse themselves in the rich traditions of the Apulian region, from its delectable cuisine to its vibrant local festivals. Next, we venture to the rugged coastline of Croatia, where the island of Vis waits to be discovered. Less frequented than its more famous neighbors, Vis offers pristine beaches, turquoise waters, and a slower pace of life. During the Cold War, Vis was a military base and off-limits to tourists, which preserved its pristine nature and cultural heritage. Visitors today can explore the island's charming fishing villages, savor local wines, and delve into the island's intriguing history at the unique submarine tunnels from the Yugoslav era. Continuing our journey, we find ourselves in the heart of the Iberian Peninsula in the vibrant city of Salamanca, Spain. Often overshadowed by Madrid and Barcelona, Salamanca boasts one of Europe's oldest universities, dating back to 1218. The city's striking sandstone architecture earns it the nickname the Golden City, and its historic Plaza Mayor is among the most beautiful squares in Spain. As the sun sets, the city's lively tapas bars offer a warm welcome to those eager to experience authentic Spanish hospitality. Our final destination lies in the lesser-known region of the Azores, an archipelago in the Atlantic Ocean belonging to Portugal. São Miguel, the largest of the islands, is a volcanic wonderland with verdant landscapes, crater lakes, and geothermal hot springs. The island's Sete Cidades, a series of twin lakes nestled within a dormant volcano, presents a breathtaking panorama and is shrouded in local legends. Adventurous travelers can hike, bike, or simply marvel at the island's unparalleled natural beauty and biodiversity. As we conclude our exploration of these hidden gems, we are reminded that Europe is a continent full of surprises. Beyond its famous landmarks, there are countless corners waiting to be explored, each offering a distinct glimpse into the diverse history and culture that make Europe a truly enchanting destination. Let these hidden gems inspire your next journey across this remarkable continent.